Hello all of you. I'm Naneshwari Dhuma, and our topic name is Evolution of Programming Logic Devices. So, the mentor is Shilpa ma'am, and my group members is Sham Rathod, Abhishek Sabne, and Varsharani Shinde. Next slide. So the contents are introduction, types of PLD, advantages, disadvantages, applications, programming techniques, and the references. So the first is introduction. The large number of gates flip-flops that can be configured by user to perform the different function is called PLD, and it is the simplest programming technique is used to fuses in original state of device. All the fuses are intact, and the PLD are typically built with an array of AND gate and array of OR gates. Next slide. So the types of PLD is first is simplest programmable logic device, and the second is highest high capacity programmable logic device. In simplest programmable logic device are ROM, PLA, PAL, GAL, and the second is high capacity programmable logic device in CPLD and FPGA. Next slide.
After that, the problem of using the standard ICs. The problem of using standard ICs in a logic design are that they require hundreds of thousands of ICs, considerable amount of circuit board space, a great deal of a time and cost in inserting, soldering, and testing also. Also require keeping a significant inventory of ICs. Next. So the reason behind the PLDs are very simplest. There are some advantages. These are nothing but a less board space. It is a faster. It has a low power requirement. It has a less costly assembly processes. Also, it has a higher reliability, availability of design software, easy circuit testing, design checking easy. Also, it has a high switching speed and easy design modifications. With the advantages, it has some disadvantages like the high cost solution in a large quantities in a require a large area and poor performance. It has a lack of security. Also, it has a large power requirement. It not flexible in terms of integrating analog box and additional cost, power, space requirements. There are several applications of PLD. These are nothing but glue logic, state machines, counters, synchronization, decoder, bus interface, parallel to serial, and serial to parallel.
Next is a programming technology. Let's see what is the programming techniques. Programming programmer switches play a key role in alternating functionalities FPGA. Size of the programmer switches on the resistance and capacitance direct from the important properties which need to be altered depending on applications. there are there are two types of SRAM programming technology. First is a SRAM programming technology, and second as a anti-fuse programming technology, and third as a floating gate programming technology. Let's see first SRAM programming technology. What is the SRAM programming technology? Xilinx, Pascal, Argoten's concurrent logic, and Toshiba are some of the key players in the domain who make the usage of controlling action of static RAM cells and multiplexers and thereby apply SRAM programming as shown in below figure. At the point of when one is the input away in the SRAM cell and the pass of the gate goes about the shunt switches, and it can be utilized to make the association. Next is the anti-fuse programming technology. At the point when anti-fuse technology is a device which has the ability to showcase infinite amount of resistance between its two terminals. When it is not a defined function, the application of high voltage would lead the antifuse blow and thereby facilitate to a low resistance interface. Next slide handwriting to Varsharani.
The second part is the floating gate programming technology. These are a key which is the employ not only most commonly used the erasable EPROM, but it also most recent and announcement that is the electrically erasable EEPROM device. There is pulse logic employs used to floating gate and purpose the programming and thereby the implementing the uses of the EPROM. Uh, the semiconductor which is the functions as the device who as the device is the control the and there is the forever disable the applying the appreciate biasing on it and utilizing the logic 1 between the first controlling device and output terminal of the semiconductor. Uh, Unit of the turns in the enhance the restricted potential difference of the semiconductor device is goal of the kills. Next slide.
This is our references
This is our
and
reference.
this is acceptance letter from IEEE. We are applied to research paper to IEEE conference, and this is the plagiarism report. 74 percent. This is a unique content, and 26 is a plagiarism content. Next, thank you.